morning. Today is Thursday, May the 4th, 2017, about 7:40 and 60 degrees. I'm getting ready to go to Hardee's with Larry because I need to go to Walmart. We're on our way. Be there before we know it. Good thing we live so close. Looks like everybody's here. Parking lot's full. Here at Hardee's. We're here at the bank. We're coming up to Walmart. We're done at Walmart. Got our groceries. We're here at Milo. It's Reba's birthday. We came here to the nursery. Larry's got some plants to sell. We're taking the back roads home. Swamp out in there. We're home. I was in town all morning with Larry and then fixed frozen pizzas for lunch. So we got the washer and dryer moved out away from the wall so I can get back in there and paint now. I think this is only going to get one coat. And then we found water down there on the floor. We think it didn't go out the hose, the exhaust. We think that the drain might have splattered out, got the floor wet. So we'll have to check into that. But time to paint. I really don't want to do this now. I'd rather take a nap. But that's the only way it's going to get done, is just keep keeping on. Larry was looking out the window and this bird was acting strange. He kept wanting to get in the house. He kept flying down to the window, and at one point he was hanging on the screen. But I don't know what, if he saw his reflection or what was going on, but he sure was trying to get in. Got a little pink on the edge. I was in the house and looked out and saw how pretty these moss rose were, the yellow ones. Larry's cooking squash and onions while I'm painting. He's a pretty good cook when he wants to be. Yeah, painting. Got more on today than I thought it would, but it's still going to take another day. I'm doing all the easy stuff today. All the flat surfaces. I thought you was done. I thought you'd left.
I'm fixing to.
Yeah.
You want to say something else?
No, this is what my day has been, well, my afternoon has been like, and yesterday and tomorrow.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. I figured we're saving $430 or less.
At least.
Well, $20 an hour for 3 days. It's 7 o'clock and the rain has arrived. We've been hearing thunder for about an hour in the distance, but the rain's finally here. It's a nice rain. I'm hoping this rain will liven up that droopy marigold. It's been wilted all day. They've been talking about storms all day, but there's not really much going on here. Oh, there was lightning. Good night. God bless.